Tired of constantly misplacing your keys, wallet, or even your pet? The Apple AirTag is the ultimate solution, bringing unparalleled peace of mind. This incredible Bluetooth tracker offers precision finding with Ultra Wideband technology, guiding you directly to your items with pinpoint accuracy on your iPhone. Setting it up is ridiculously easy. Just one tap on your iPhone, and your AirTag is paired and ready to track in mere seconds. And don't fret about everyday mishaps. It boasts IP67 water and dust resistance, built to withstand splashes and spills. What makes the Apple AirTag truly special is its seamless integration into the vast Apple Find My network, leveraging millions of devices globally to help locate your belongings. Imagine never again scrambling to find your luggage at the airport or your backpack after a busy day. This small device offers huge everyday convenience. For anyone searching for the best electronic gadgets for 2025 or considering buying an AirTag, this is undoubtedly a game changer for item tracking. It's an essential Apple accessory, perfect for keeping tabs on anything important to you. If you're ready to finally stop losing things, click the link in the description to get your Apple AirTag 4-pack on Amazon today. Seriously, investing in an AirTag is a smart choice for managing your valuables and is absolutely worth buying for hassle-free living.